Hawkins here.
Mabel Buckley Hawkins.
With Chickenhawkfarmstead.
Yep.
And
So, Daddy.
Just as a quick note, if you like this shirt, we got a giveaway that's still active. We got another 45 members, or 45 subscribers. Because at 1,000, we're giving away a t-shirt. So we'll have a link below to that. Right?
Yeah.
You like these t-shirts?
And viewers. I don't like the ones that's dead chicken, rotten egg.
Yeah, she doesn't like it because on the back, it says, dead chickens lay no eggs.
Yeah.
She finds it offensive. So today, we're checking out this.
Yeah.
Which is a pretty cool survival kit.
Yeah.
Price point on this thing, I believe, was like $30. I was able to pick it up for $20. Thanks to struggleville.net.
Yeah.
He's a pretty cool guy, ain't he?
Yeah.
You super jealous of him?
Yeah.
Alright, well.
And there's a knife in this.
I think there's a knife in there. So let's pop this open
And I think there's a kit.
see what kind of quality we got for $20. See if we got a good deal. Or even for $30.
Oh, that's a kit.
Alright, so right off the bat, we got the nice hard case, which is really cool. That's a cool little case, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a kit.
Alright. Oh, check that out. Look, we got one,
Let's see
two,
what's
three.
in it.
We have 4 points.
Let's see what's in it.
Pop it open. Alright, you gonna pop those last two? Flip them up. Alright, I think it's waterproof.
I don't know.
Alright.
No.
Oh, okay. So see, we got a.
It's a whistle.
Hold on.
It's a fire kit.
Here's the first glance inside. It is, it's got the foam. And everything kind of has a place. That's pretty cool.
And
So
you get
what do we got there? We got an ink pen. We got our tactical pen. Now these I've seen on sale anywhere from $3 to $10. And I actually bought a couple. Okay. No, it looks nice though. It's a glass breaker right there. Nice aluminum body. Tough little guy. Alright, we got one of my favorites. Emergency blanket. Because they're so lightweight and so useful. So that's another. That's $2 or $3 there. Alright, what do we got here?
Golden whistle.
Does it work? Try it out.
Okay.
Got our little emergency whistle, so if you get lost, stop and blow your whistle. Oh.
I have one too.
Yeah, it's really loud. She got a little survival kit recently herself.
And I have this. And this is cool.
Not really sure how good a quality this is. Just going by weight and kind of looking at it briefly.
Look there, look at this.
It's decent for a little,
Look, Bears, look at this.
bow saw.
It has a thing.
Oh, careful, there might be a knife in there.
No.
Alright, we got this little credit card thing.
It's too little.
See, look, that's a little knife blade.
Ouch.
Alright, that's actually not bad. It's pretty heavy. But you can actually pick up something very similar, if not exactly the same, from the dollar store. And I'll actually be doing a review about that one. And maybe now that I got this one out of this kit, we'll compare this one to the one at the dollar store and see if there's a difference.
And you have...
Okay, little card, insert card tells us all about what
And you have
different stuff
this.
does.
Look, viewers. He has this.
We got our paracord bracelet. What's it got on it? It's got anything cool on it? Okay, now this is a cool one though. Look at that. We got a compass. And look at that, blow. Right here. Right there, blowing it. Another little whistle. Okay. And I believe that is... give me just a second. A little Ferricium rod.
And you're trying to bend. You're too close to me. That's the put.
I think it is. I'm just not doing it right.
No, I think you don't have to do that.
I think I'm doing it wrong, but I do believe that's what it is.
I think I know.
Oh, you think you know? All right, you shout it out. I think that's a little. Oh. Oh, that's how we do it. So yeah, that's not bad. Like that. I mean, that's at least what, another $4 or $5. All right. Oh, here's a nice one.
I saw that.
That's
flat white.
Yeah. Has it got batteries in it?
No.
Well, let's open it up real quick and shit. I mean, surely we got some batteries, right?
No.
I open it up the wrong spot.
I don't know.
Yeah.
How?
That's not the side that opened it up.
That side.
There we go. Let's see if we got batteries in this thing. No battery, but it does look like it probably takes a AA battery.
Wait. What is in there?
Okay. You look in there real quick. Let's pull out a battery. Actually.
Oh, open the one.
Got a nice charge.
Yeah.
What did you do?
Open the one thing.
All right, let's see if this thing was kid-proof. She might have just destroyed it.
Oh man.
Hey, we're testing out the durability of it. If it can't hold up to a 4-year-old, how's it gonna hold up to the woods, right?
I like the
All right,
whistle.
so we got our little AA batteries.
I'm
Drop
going
it
to
in.
get the whistle. I'm going to use it again.
That's not a whistle that time.
Huh? Oh.
All right. Whoa, that's pretty bright. Okay. Okay, so it's got a little zoom feature on there. Alright, so there's our flash. Okay, now we have the large ferrocerium rod for starting our fires. Yeah, is it ferrocerium rod, flint and stone? I don't know. There's a little bit of spark.
Oh, I have one of those.
There we go. Woo!
I didn't put my hand in it.
Now,
Cut it fire.
this is got a little measure and a little QA.
Don't do that to the phone. Don't do that to the phone.
No, let's not do that to the phone. It might melt the phone.
Yeah.
That'd be terrible.
Then you only have an old phone.
Alright, so we got that, and that actually feels like a pretty stout one. So it seems like there's a lot of redundancy in here. You got one here, a small one here, a big one here. We do have, except the pen. Alright. Oh, and we got a cheap little compass, which we also have a cheap little compass here. So take 2 cheap compasses, and if they're both pointing in the same direction, probably be good, won't we?
Yes.
Yeah? You think?
But since this is all over up, you can keep all of it.
Oh, and what do we have here?
A flat light?
Oh, I don't understand why this would be. Maybe if we had some.
Maybe put
what's
things in
all-
it. Maybe put some stuff in here if long, then that close it up.
Like a little shot of water or something?
Yeah.
Alright.
Where's it waterproof?
So we got a little, waterproof pill case. I guess that's where you keep your cyanide pill when you realize you haven't made it in the woods.
Do mommy like this or no?
Probably not. And then it also has a knife. We got a
You can keep
nice
it.
little big glass breaker there. A
You
little quick cut here.
You
And that's pretty cool. It's spring assisted.
can
That's actually,
keep it in a tool belt.
yeah, that's a stout little knife.
You can do that. Now I have a new
You wanna do it?
No. It's a
You
new-
do. She wants to. Over right here. Got it.
No, I don't. No, I don't want to touch it.
So we got this cool little knife here. Yeah, so those are a pretty decent one. I'm sure it's nothing fancy, right? And then we got, it all fits into this cool little case. And like I said, you can see there it's molded or cut or whatever you want to call it, where everything sits and fits. And we have our survival kit instruction manual, which hopefully will go in and tell us everything that we have and everything it needs to do with it. Pretty awesome. You like it? You trying to figure out where it goes what? Where what goes? Alright, so what was your favorite piece out of the whole one? Which one did you like the best? You like the whistle. That's a good choice. So that way if you get lost, people can come find you, right?
Yeah.
I gotta say...
But then you guys gonna get lost.
Then I'm gonna get lost? That's not good. I gotta say the knife's a lot less cheesy and less cheap as I thought it would be. I do like that. Overall, I'm pretty impressed for $20 between the case, the knife. I mean, you add it all together, easily that. Nice little grab kit or something to keep in the backpack with the extra tools. And I like how it all fits in there nice and neat, and you can put it all back, and looks like somebody can work it like a puzzle. All right, you gonna tell everybody bye?
Going that crazy knife.
Yeah, because that's how we do it. We just shove the puzzle pieces in. Okay, so don't forget to check out our giveaway.
Yeah.
I'll have a link below to it, where you're, like I said, once we hit 1,000, we're going to be giving away a t-shirt. And I'll have a link to this too, because, yeah, overall, I really like it. It's definitely something I'll probably just throw in the truck, so that way, if I need one of these tools or something and I don't have it, I'll have one on hand, especially with the extra knife, the flashlight. The ink pen's really handy to have. It's always good to have a BlackBerry around.
You didn't use my flashlight that they went.
That's pretty sweet of you.
And I don't know where it is now.
Oh. Alright, so that's it for now. Have a good one, and don't forget to
Like and hope you remember our videos again. Bye!